Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use less mobile data on Spotify app. Do you listen to Spotify frequently and want to use less mobile data? Luckily, there is a little trick that you can do to reduce your mobile data usage. Just follow these steps. Open up Spotify app on your phone and make sure to log into your Spotify account. Now click on gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. At the top of this page, you will see Data Saver section. Just switch the toggle on next to Data Saver, and this feature will be turned on. From now on, you will be using less mobile data. That's it for this video. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use less mobile data on Spotify app. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.